this is Hayden from Connect. Welcome to my Power BI tutorial video. In this video, this is aimed at beginners. This is a basics on how to load Microsoft Excel files into Power BI. So first of all, I'm going to show you the file. I have destination locations here as a workbook. If I launch that, you can see that I've got sheet 1 with the information stored in a table. Tables are always better to import into Power BI because it knows what data to select automatically. So let me close that. Go back to Power BI. You have an Excel option here, so straight away click Excel. This is the location and this is the file that I want to import. Hit open. So Power BI will present me with two options. As you can see, it's got the destinations, which is the name of the table that I had in Excel, or simply sheet 1. It will import that. As there's no other data, it will know that sheet 1 is effectively the table is the only data there that's available. But I'm still going to select the table and select load. While that processes, you'll see destinations appear in the field section just here as a table. There we go. The table has been named as per the table in Excel. If I just show you that data, destinations, there you go. And that's how to get data into Excel data into Power BI. In the next video, I'll take you through how to load a CSV file into Power BI. Thank you very much. Goodbye.